everybody, this is Torontian Company for another apartment visit. So let's begin by showing you the living room, the kitchen and the balcony. So here we are, the television, spaces with 3 sofas and a little table between them. So just on the right side, let's see the kitchen, which is very big, with many furniture are providing with it. You also get a bar like this, directly connecting to a big table, who conduces to a balcony. This is a view. And the balcony, as you can see, it's a big one. So let's move on to continue the visit. Let's go to the corridor of the giant apartment of Gzom Chua district. The entrance door. Right here there is a kind of bathroom with a washing machine, toilet, let's continue here. There is another space. There is no bed, but you can put one, and there is a desk and furniture when you can put your clothes there. Here, bathroom, very comfortable and very big as well. Here's the first room with a big bed to places. You can put your clothes here. A private bathroom. There is also a little balcony on the back of this apartment. The view here. So let's move on to the last room. With a big bed, 2 places, a big window who provide enough light, very comfortable during the morning, and something to put your clothes. Do not forget that this apartment is equipped with air conditioning, ventilation, and also Wi-Fi connection. So thank you very much. Bye bye.